Good evening all. I'm running my punt for Amazing Spider-Man 361 to 363, which is the first appearance of Carnage as well as being Aussie price variants. Let's get a timestamp. So it is 8:32 on Tuesday the 31st of May. And it's 8:32 on Tuesday the 31st of May here in Perth, WA. Let's grab that list. So it's spot 134, we've got Ty, and at spot number 1 we have Neville, and I've put those in the list. So spot 1 is Neville, down to 134, which is Ty. So let's go and roll those dice. 3 dice, roll. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 and 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, let's double check that. 6 and 5 is 11, and another 2 is 13. Second last roll. And last roll. Good luck, everyone. Contact me and I'll have your books out in the mail tomorrow. I didn't catch that. I hope no one else did. So we've randomized it 13 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's have a look who the lucky person is. Apologies, I have a bit of a sore throat and cold, so my voice is a bit shit. Winner is David. Congrats, mate. Contact me with your address and I'll post that out express for you tomorrow. So 134 items, 13. Get a final timestamp. Uh, 8:35. 8:35 on Tuesday, 31st of May. Thanks, everyone.